Hello everyone. In this video we will solve few trigonometric problems. Find the value of sin pi by 12. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Therefore pi by 12 is equal to 180 by 12. It will be 15 degree. Now we have to find value of sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree. This can be written as sine of pi by 3. This is in radian. Minus pi by 4. If you take LCM of 3 and 4, it will be 12. In the denominator we get 12 and in the numerator we get 4 pi minus 3 pi. Ultimately this value will be pi by 12 only. Now by considering this angle as A and this angle as B, let's apply formula for sin A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin pi by 3 cos pi by 4 minus cos A sin B, that is cos pi by 3 into sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 3 is nothing but sin 60 degree. This is pi by 3 radian is equal to 60 degree. Therefore sin 60 degree into cos pi by 4 radian is equal to 45 degree. Cos 45 degree minus cos pi by 3 radian nothing but 60 degree, cos 60 into sin pi by 4 nothing but 45 degree, sin 45. As we know, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now by taking LCM 2 root 2, in the denominator we get 2 root 2 and in the numerator we get root 3 minus 1. If you want to simplify further, we can rationalize this denominator multiplying it by root 2 in the numerator as well as denominator. In the numerator we get root 2 into root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 into root 3 minus 1 upon root 2 it will become 2, 2 into 2 it will be 4. This is the final answer. Sin pi by 12 is equal to root 2 into root 3 minus 1 upon 4. Now let's find tan pi by 12 value. Tan pi by 12, it is similar to sin pi by 12. We can write tan of pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Now let's apply here formula for tan A minus B by considering pi by 3 angle as A and pi by 4 angle as B. Tan A minus B formula is tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. That is, by applying this formula, this will be tan pi by 3 tan A, tan B is value of B is pi by 4, therefore here tan pi by 4 upon 1 plus tan A, that is tan pi by 3 into tan B, that is tan pi by 4. Tan 60 value is sin 60 by cos 60, that is root 3. Tan 45 is 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 into tan 45 is 1. Therefore root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3. And this is the answer. Next problem is find the value of this expression without using calculator. To find the value of this expression without using calculator, let us find sin 120 and cos 270 first. Sin 120, it can be written as sin 120 is equal to sin 90 plus 30. As this value is odd multiple of pi by 2, we have to change this ratio. It will be cos 30, and 90 plus something we will land up in second quadrant, and in second quadrant the value of sine is positive, that is ASTC, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 270, it can be written as 2 cos 270 plus 0. As this is odd multiple of pi by 2 again, we have to change the ratio. This will become sine 0. 270 plus something, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, but sine 0 is equal to 0. Let us put these values in this expression. We get 4 upon 3 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and square of it, tan square 30 plus 3 into sine square 120 is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square minus cosec square 30. Cosec 30 is equal to 1 by sine 30, and sine 30 value is 1 by 2, and reciprocal of it is 2, therefore cosec 30 will be 2 and its square minus 3 upon 4 into cot 30 is equal to 1 upon tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, therefore cot 30 is equal to root 3 and square of it plus 0. Cos 270 is 0. Sorry, this is root 3. 4 upon 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 3 by 4 minus 4 minus 3 upon 4 into 3. This 3 will get cancelled. Here we get 4, here we get 9 by 4, here we get minus 4, and here we get just 1 by 4. Now taking 4 as LCM, here we get 16, here 9, here 16 again, and here just 1. Therefore it is equal to 9 minus 1, 8 by 4, it is 2. The final answer is 2. Now next problem is prove that 1 plus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to sec 2 theta. Let's take left hand side of equation. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan theta into tan 2 theta. 1 plus tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta into tan 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Let's take LCM cos theta into cos 2 theta. Cos theta into cos 2 theta. Here we get cos theta into cos 2 theta plus sin theta into sin 2 theta. Now let us consider this angle as A and this angle as B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that can be written as cos A minus B, that is cos theta minus 2 theta upon cos theta into cos 2 theta. It is my cos of minus theta upon cos theta into cos 2 theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta plus cos theta cos theta into cos 2 theta. This will get cancelled, and 1 upon cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta. Hence it is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Thanks for watching.